This is a total disgrace. This was just done not even a week ago, and check out how bad it is right now. Let's walk down here real quick. Just disgusting. Hey, if you want all these swirl marks and burn marks and stuff like that, here it is. Just check it out. Couldn't even get it clean. But if you call us, we'll get it clean. 100%. It'll be a lot cleaner and won't show any of these marks at all. Call Under Pressure Power Wash. You already know. Ouch. 561-971-0235. We cover all South Florida, commercial and residential.